what she thinks in the mind, she can reflect now. So I am very happy about it.
She got first prize. Okay, I'm happy, so happy.
I can see real improvement in my daughter, and I'm so happy.
They are stimulating the creativity. The way of teaching is really awesome.
I really like this place because of the teachers and the way they teach us stuff. And I'm enjoying what I'm doing here.
She used to draw all the objects, but she doesn't understand how is it related. But now she's able to extract the size and shapes.
It's really a different way in which they teach. They don't make it really boring. They make it really fun.
Visual communication help everybody in life, and art cannot be a hobby, and it has to be a life skill.
They can implement these things in their career also.
I would recommend this as a parent to any other parent to actually experience Little Brahmas.
Thanks for the care it was given to him.
Thank you so much, really.
I really enjoy taking online classes from Little Brahmas. Thank you.
Thank you, Little Brahmas.